Well, have you guessed what it is, guys? We're going to get it out to headquarters and then we'll tear into it and have a look and see. We're out here, guys. Yes! Right, let's do it open. Nick's trusty steed brought us out here. We gone ton the old tail lift, as you've seen. Dropped him down, Nick turned up. Wow, wow. We have a bit of a spoiler because we did a thing on the way out here. It's decided to peekaboo, peekaboo. Right, let's get into this. We've got this guy. We've got our Hatoli Hanzo. Oh yes, you see what he did to pack it. I need to be careful with this Hanzo. Oh, it opened. It opened. Woo! Nicholas is going to take the box. Woo! Look what we have down here, sons. Pretty sure this should peel out now. Look at that. All of the pipies. What's in the box? Look at it. That's different. Alright, go on then, Nicholas. Do a box. Hello. Hey. Wonton whirly boy. Yeah, it is. Pull out. Laying down here. So guys, we've gone and got ourselves a GT 2560R turbo. It's just been freshly rebuilt. A new Mishimoto intercooler. I'm pretty sure that's basically new. Like, look at it. That's shiny. And a custom exhaust system and intercooler setup with the pipe inlet. Hopefully it makes our boys sing. We got a couple of more little bits to get. We need to get ECU. We need a half decent standalone ECU. We need an AFR and maybe a couple little boost pipes and stuff. But yeah, she's needed there. Yeah, guys, that was what was on the Pallet turbo kit. Well, lots of the turbo kit, not all of it. We're looking forward to it though. This is the beginning. This is the bulk of it. So we're in now, aren't we? We got to do a thing. We got to finish it off. So we're going turbo. We're expecting to blow it up at some point, and then even bigger plans. Look at these tips. Look how strange they are. Something to think. I might end up chopping that off. But yeah, we still got more coming. We got a silencer center section turning up. That's just the front and the rear section, as well as the GT 2560R, which is obviously, like I said before, freshly rebuilt, and a new intercooler. But yeah, what do you think, guys? Tip or no tip? Do you like them? Not sure what I think about them. You let me know what you think of them tips. We could always change them. We could always knock them off. There she is, guys. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and supporting me, and we're about to go boost, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Burn rubber, not your soul.